Welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be an unboxing video, and I'm always excited about the unboxings, but this time I'm going to open something that is actually never really happened on my channel. As you know, guys, I'm very into Porsches and Ferraris and so on, but I've received a BMW today, and in this box is the car. I haven't seen it. I just of course saw the picture on the box, and this is a GT Spirit model. I cannot wait to open it, and I will do it now. And this is a GT Spirit 1:80 scale model of the BMW Gran Coupe. So this is basically this M8 with the 4 doors. And of course I know the car, and I haven't seen this model. I mean, the picture already is pretty much really astonishing. I love immediately the color of the car. It looks like something Bordeaux, something similar, yes. It's very girly, I'm sorry about it. So something Bordeaux, very deep, very nice color. So I'm just going to open this box immediately. I think I'm going to do the same procedure like I always do. Of course I took it out already from this ugly brown box, and I'm just gonna take out, as usual, this white foam protection. So inside I already see this quality control card, and of course this is as well a limited edition, only 1,200, was produced by GT Spirit of this car. And let's see what is inside. I just try to take off this foil, you know, it's always a little bit tricky and loud. And let's see then what is inside. Ooh, wow, yes, the color is just so beautiful. This shade is absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, it's a little bit matching with my nail polish, but it's something very extremely beautiful. Wow, it's okay. I have to take the car out of the box, but I can say immediately you can sense the original volume from the real car, which is extraordinary. It's like 5 meters long as far as I know, and also the model has this presence. So normal procedure as usual. I'm gonna flip this upside down, and I'm gonna take my screwdriver, and I'm just gonna take the model out. I'm always so impatient when I'm doing this, you know, because I just want to get the car out as fast as possible. And sometimes I'm using also this electric screwdriver, but I think a little bit more gentle if you're doing by hand, of course. So of course it's a little bit more. Okay, now it's going to be fine. There we go. So let's see. Wow, okay. This car is heavy. It has weight, yes. As I just said, the original model has amazing presence. It's huge, 5 meters long, and also this model having this present. I mean, I'm curious how much it weighs. Maybe I'm gonna weight it. Like with one hand, it's a little bit difficult to hold. Wow, it's absolutely beautiful. Really nice, really nice. I'm sorry, I know I'm always jumping on these shades and colors or shininess, but it's just absolutely beautiful. It's like a real paint, and the shade is just absolutely nice. I just weighed the car. It's 1 kilo 2, so it's more than 1 kilogram, that's why. It's a little bit like, hey, what's going on here? So you can really do exercises with this, but of course not. So let's check the car a little bit closer, and I will start immediately with the body side. I think these 20-inch alloy wheels are just really, really beautiful. I mean, what is immediately hooks me, I just love also how took care about detailing them, because it's very, very fine, so the spokes are very slim, and as I can tell, it's just really, really, really detailed. Also, the brake calipers behind is painted this goldenish shade, and I love them. And what I also love, also on the original model, this side air intakes, and they are of course carbon fiber on the original car, and a few carbon fiber elements, of course, especially the roof, which I think is very nice. And also in this model, it just looks like a real carbon fiber part, and that's why I just also pointed out how the paint quality is really outstanding. Just let's move now on the front. And of course on the number plate you can see the BMW M8 Gran Coupe. The carbon elements in the front, they are just simply black painted, so you don't have this carbon fiber texture over, so it's just black, but it's nice. And also the headlights are really nicely done. I have to say, GT Spirit always do such a nice job with the detailings and this small parts. And also on the rear of the car you can see this gorgeous twin exhaust, what I just adore on this crazy models. And you know, they're real originally, so they're not a fake exhaust. And the model is also very, very detailed. Yes, another carbon fiber element over here, it's a little spoiler. And also the rear lights, I would say the colors of the lights are also very nicely done. They're really realistic. Also the BMW M logo with the colors is over there. And the interior. This is something very remarkable, because on the real car, I love this interior. I have to say, I also like this very elegant light tone of this, and also the style of the stitches on the seats and also on the door panels. And I have to say, in this car, it's just really, really there. Every single detail in the interior. Okay, when I turn the car, you can see also the GT Spirit logo and the real twin exhaust. I really don't have any remark or any negative things, but I would point out of the quality of the car at all, because I think it's just really, really good. But when I just turned now the car, I accidentally pushed the rear window here, and I just realized how fine and slim plexi it is. As you can see, you can just push it. It's really, really soft. Of course, you don't want to touch the car too much. You just want to display it. You don't want to play with it, or let's say pushing the windows on purpose. But it would be better if it's just a little bit more thicker. That's the only thing. On the side, they're more holding, but here, yeah, I don't wanna ruin it. I don't wanna push in it too much. But yeah, you have to be careful when you, let's say, showing the car. About the price of the car, I checked it online, of course, and I saw it about 20 something euros. Of course, it's not the cheapest thing, but I think it's really worth the quality, because it's really, really a high quality model. So if you love this car and want to display it, especially in this beautiful color, I think it's worth this money for this. Absolutely, thank you so much for Castheads and FutureDiecastBros to send me this BMW, because probably I would never get one, and it was just really a nice experience to check this model and introduce this model for you. So I hope you like this video, and I'm going to come back once in this year back to you, and then it's going to be the last video for 2020. Please, as I always saying, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and follow me on Instagram as well on the Girls Loves Cars. And we're going to see each other then just before Christmas. And if you have a holiday already, just enjoy it and relax. This year is soon over. And take care. Bye.